Indie games are on the rise. What do you think of it? Is it possible for one person or a small team to create a gaming masterpiece without the financial support of a publisher? Can such a development become a mainstream? Let's try to figure it out. And for example, let's take the game Braid. This is a philosophical time puzzle created by Jonathan David Blow. This game is the same age as another Indian masterpiece, Minecraft, and they are both still popular today. What is the secret? The cornerstone of any development is labor intensity. Let's see how long it takes to revive the main character of the game named Tim. So let's start. We will have two files, HTML and JavaScript. In the style settings, disable scroll bars and position the canvas below the middle of the screen. The canvas itself with ID canvas1 and a link to the script file.